Okay guys, just open your settings application, then select general tab. After that you can select airplay and continuity. Just open this tab. Okay, then you can see here there is an option for continuity camera. That means if you turn on this one, you can use Apple devices which does not have a camera. Then your iPad or your iPhone act like as a webcam. So it is very useful feature. You can easily turn on from here, and default Apple always turn on this feature, and automatically AirPlay also set to automatic in default iOS settings. So that's guys, very simple tutorial. If you need any kind of Android or iPhone or PC or Mac tutorial, just comment below. I will post your replays as videos so you can easily watch and understand it. And if you need any kind of other details, you can just comment here. And if you enjoy this video, please like, comment, share and subscribe our channel for getting more videos like this. Thank you so much for watching. Have a nice day. Bye bye.